Nike and Patta continue their strong partnership with the ongoing rollout of their Air Max 90 collection. After the debut of the vibrant Cyber and Sapphire colorways on SNKRS, Patta has announced 2 new black and white versions set to release exclusively through their own channels on June 27. These latest editions shift away from the bold, athletic look of the earlier pairs, opting instead for a more refined and elevated style. The updated designs break from traditional Air Max 90 blocking, incorporating inventive layouts and subtle medium brown accents that lend a sophisticated edge. In a surprising twist, Patta has accelerated the release timeline compared to their earlier Waves Air Max 1 collection. While the move toward earthier tones took nearly a year back then, this time the transition from neon green and purple to neutral elegance happened in just days, showing a faster, more dynamic storytelling approach.